How to send money from PayPal to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account. So first of all, just open your PayPal account and log into your PayPal account. And after that, all you have to do is simply link your bank account to your PayPal account. And once you link your bank account to your PayPal account, the PayPal account will transfer amount that you receive on PayPal, automatically send that particular amount to your bank account. And this will happen on the automatic basis, so you don't have to do anything. So all you have to do is just simply go to your PayPal account, just create your PayPal account, and after that just link your preferred bank account to your PayPal account. So for that, you will see this PayPal balance option on your home screen. Just click on these three dots, and after that just click on go to money page, and after that just scroll down, and here you will see the option of bank accounts and cards. So just simply click on link a new bank account, and after that just provide your bank details, and your bank account will be successfully linked to your PayPal account. And after that, the PayPal will send all the money received on your PayPal account to your bank account on automatic basis. So this is how you do it. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.